Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to turn on flight mode on the Samsung mobile. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So I will show you two methods. So by following that method you can easily turn on flight mode very easily. So firstly open the setting. So after opening the setting, you can see connection option. So click on connection, and then here you can see the options of flight mode. So just click on it and turn it on. So you can see flight mode is enabled. So when you will turn on flight mode, you cannot get any call, message, or any type of text. So it is the first method to turn on flight mode. So the second method is that just scroll the screen. So when you will scroll down the screen, here you can see the options of flight mode. So just click on flight mode. So you can see flight mode is enabled. So guys, in this way you can turn off or turn on flight mode very easily. So if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.